Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this white line video transition on CapCut. So we are going to split the video into two parts. The first one is like the before and the second one is the after. And on the after you want to add in kind of like a slow motion, but this already has a slow motion as you can see. So just select the clip like where the slow motion is, and you are going to press split. I think it's a little bit too forward here. And then after that, you can adjust it in speed, but I'm not going to get into that. So select the first clip, and you're going to select adjust and turn down the saturation. And then after that, you're going to select overlay, add overlay. Go to stock videos and add in a white background and press add. I'm just going to adjust it like so. Then we are going to select mask and select the film strip one. I'm just going to kind of resize it a little bit. And then you're going to want to rotate it and also feather it out using this arrow button. But let me just rotate it first to 90 degrees. There you go. And make it a little bit thinner. Oops. Okay, I think it's a little bit wonky. I'm trying to make it. Okay, there you go. Then I'm going to feather it out, but just a little bit, like this much probably. Oh, that was a little bit too much. Did I feather that out? There we go. And I'm going to press the check mark button, and I'm going to make this 0.3 seconds-ish. Let's just zoom in a little bit. And then we're going to put it in between the videos. Might make it longer. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to add a keyframe at the beginning here. So add a keyframe, and we're going to move the object to the very left. And then we're going to add another keyframe here, and we're going to move it to the very right, like so. And in between the keyframes, we are going to go to graphs, and we're going to add in ease out 2. Press the check mark button. And then once we're done, we're going to add in just a blur effect. So go to effects and go to video effects. Go to lens and add in a blur at the beginning, on the before clip. Just adjust it if that's too much, maybe a 20. And then on the second, actually we're just going to make it just a little bit shorter. Then we're going to go back to video effects, go to lens again, and we are going to add, actually I don't think it's here. Opening and closing, sorry. Add in the halo blur. Press the check mark button and just make it shorter. Let's just see. There you go. And that is basically it, really. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!